Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Apple device to iPhone 13 Pro. You need to begin by opening App Store on both. Then click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Following that, you need to install this free app from this developer and open it on both smartphones. Now, in order to use this app, you need to just allow access to all photos. Then click on Allow. And finally, choose Allow or Don't Allow in this notifications pop-up. I will go with Don't. Then you need to choose Yes, I agree or No, thanks. After that, just click on Close this window. Click on OK. And finally, choose Send at the bottom left corner of your iOS device and Receive on iPhone 13 Pro. Now you need to click on Select next to all of your dates. And when you're ready, choose Send over here. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time to do it right now, so I will go with only this photo. Click on Send and tap on Got it. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on iPhone 13 Pro. Clicking on OK in the pop-up and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here instead and connect those smartphones by choosing Receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!